Hello viewers, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to restore backup chats in WhatsApp. Just follow my all steps without skipping. First of all, go to Play Store and update WhatsApp to the latest version. Agree and continue. Select your country code and enter phone number. Continue. Next. Continue. Click on Restore from Backup and continue. Wait. Restore complete. Click on Next. Viewers, if you found this video helpful, please subscribe to my channel.